Let's make a Japanese spinach salad within seconds. See the whole video and don't miss out to subscribe my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. The fresh Japanese spinach salad. To a bowl, add some washed trimmed spinach leaves, soya sauce, some sesame oil, some salt to taste, sprinkle some sesame seeds, grate some ginger finely grated, and some garlic too finely grated, and add to the salad. A pinch of sugar to enhance the flavor, few drops of rice wine vinegar, and using a clear tongue mix it, and you can get a great salad. The Japanese spinach salad is ready. Nice fresh flavors and very easy to make. If you like it, please try it, and if you like it, share it, comment it, and subscribe my channel Joss Moses Kitchen.